To perform a first setup on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, first of all you will need to open a Google Play Store or any other store that you're using and download the app called Wearable App from Samsung. It's this app right here. I've already downloaded it. You can see the install button if you haven't. Now when we have that ready, we need to grab our watch and find the power button, which is located right here. It's next to the 10, so we need to press on this button until our watch powers on. Then in the meantime we can move to the Galaxy Wearable app, open it and allow any permission that will pop up. Click on the start and here wait till your watch is discoverable. Now my watch just started and I've already picked a region and language. In your case, you will also need to select language as well as the region on the watch. Just use the touch screen to select whichever options you like. Then click on your watch right here in the list. And verify the code. Click on pair on your device and then on the watch as well if the prompt shows up. We need to install Watch Manager. Click on OK and it will transfer you to Google Play Store. Install that app. When it's installed, simply go back to the Wearable app. We might want to sign into your Samsung account if you want. You can also try to skip it. Agree to anything that will pop up. You can leave the optional if you like as well, and then allow the manager to connect. Then again, allow everything that will pop up, otherwise you may encounter problems when connecting your watch. Here there was a Google account set up. Just continue with your Google account and verify it. You can download additional apps for your watch, but I'm gonna actually skip it. You can perform a backup and there's introductions and other stuff. Some of the other plugins for the app that you may need to install. You can set up your quick button action. Set up wearing preferences for your left hand, right hand, and etc. Track the stress with your vascular system. Understand your sleep for better rest. That's whole introduction. You can read through it if you like. I'm here just to show you and finish that setup. We can set up our mobile plan, or we actually need to. And we're all set. That means the setup is finished. So thanks so much for watching.